So, we have all heard of one-stop shopping. Tonight, I offer one-stop sharing. Let's go take a look. Hello, scrapbookers and creative friends. I'm Linda Petuch, Creative Memories Independent Advisor in Jupiter, Florida. Welcome to Thursday Thoughts. And as we approach the Thanksgiving holidays, I just want to thank you all so much for being loyal subscribers and loyal viewers. I really am grateful for you, as I am for my health and my family and my friends. But you have made a difference in my life, and I appreciate it. Now, I decided that I had a couple of questions about how I make my turkey and the pumpkins and some other things. So I decided that I wanted to make a playlist for you that has 6 different videos, all Thanksgiving oriented. Some of them are interactive. That's why I wanted to do it this week, so you have time if you'd like to prep before Thanksgiving. Like this one, I did a couple years ago, and I had family and friends write. I didn't give them a lot of space, so they didn't have to say a lot, but this is something that they were grateful for. And now this is in our album for November of the year that we did this for Thanksgiving. But then I have variations, large turkey, small ones, and other things, including pumpkin pies and other kinds of pies. And all those videos are going to be listed. There's 6 of them. And if you don't have time to prep some of this before Thanksgiving, I totally understand. But if you do and you want to have people write, that way you're ready for that. If not, then when you start creating those memorable pages from your holidays, now you have some ideas. So I hope that really helps. And again, I wish you a very happy and healthy Thanksgiving. And until next time, happy scrapbooking.